Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, how are you? Shiba Inu. Tracing SHIB ability to rebound from its newly found support. While the SHIB army induced a buying spree from mid-June to mid-August, SHIB swayed to touch its 3-month high on the 14th of August. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Since then, the sellers have re-entered the market to pull the price below the constraints of the 50 EMA, cyan. Nonetheless, with the gradual buying pressure mounting up, SHIB bulls flipped the 2-month trendline from resistance to support. But, is this enough to sustain a rally? Looking at the bearish pennant setup on the daily chart, sellers could be keen on inflicting a pulldown from the confluence of the 50 EMA and the $0.0118 resistance. This rejection of higher prices could propel a decline below the pattern. A close below the 20 EMA would further reaffirm these chances. The decline below the pattern could propel a retracement towards the $0.0105 minus $0.0103 range. An eventual jump above the $0.0118 level would confirm the invalidation of the press-time bearish bias. Additionally, the volume oscillator marked lower peaks during the recent growth on the chart. This reading highlighted a slight weakness of the previous bull run. Since mid-September, SHIB's social dominance saw a consistent decline. On the contrary, its price action marked a slight uptick. This reading projected the confidence of the SHIB army, regardless of the traction. Moreover, SHIB FTX funding rate turned positive over the last 2 days. This metric implied that most traders have been slightly bullish on the futures market. All in all, SHIB stood at a critical moment. The selling triggers and targets would remain the same as discussed above. Finally, buyers should factor in Bitcoin's movement and its effects on the wider market to make a profitable move. Shiba Inu and everything about Shiba Eternity's global launch. Shiba Inu just announced the global rollout of its Shiba Eternity game. Its developers have been working towards generating real-world utility as highlighted in their roadmap. The new launch thus represents an important milestone for the SHIB community. The newly launched Shiba Eternity is the latest addition to the list of achievements for the Shiba Inu community. One of the main reasons why it was highly anticipated was the fact that the game represents a new avenue for real-world utility. A key focus for Shiba Inu as it continues to distance itself from its meme coin origins. The SHIB token will be integrated into the game. Another reason why Shiba Eternity was highly anticipated is that it will contribute to Shiba Inu's supply burn. Shitoshi Kusama, a top Shiba Inu developer, previously confirmed through a tweet that the game would feature token burn mechanisms. The Shiba Eternity launch did not appear to have a meaningful impact on SHIB's price action at press time. It traded at 114 at the time of writing, which represents a 0.26% upside in the last 24 hours. A sea of calm waters. Still, Shiba Inu age-consumed metric registered a sharp spike during Wednesday's, the 5th of October, trading session by as much as 123.77 trillion SHIB. This means a large amount of the token was moved after being idle for some time. This metric often registers a major shift after a large amount of the underlying crypto or token that was previously dormant is moved. This is often due to a token dump, and in this case, such an outcome would cancel out buying pressure induced by positive news. While the age-consumed metric does not confirm direction, the supply held by top addresses may offer some clarity. This metric revealed that the total SHIB supply held by top addresses dropped by roughly 220 billion SHIB coins from the 1st of October to the present. The offloaded SHIB amount equates to roughly $2.5 million at its current market value. Such an amount pales in comparison to Shiba Inu's current market cap of $6.3 billion. The outflows from top addresses were barely enough to trigger a sizable price move. On the other side of the coin, SHIB may have failed to garner enough bullish volume due to a lack of investors' confidence. Whales are unlikely to buy when network growth experiences a big drop. That was the situation during Wednesday's trading session. The decline in social dominance, but funding rates turned positive. Shiba Eternity makes history, ranks #1 card game on App Store. Shiba Eternity download day went live Thursday. The game is now available for download. SHIB was trading down 2.68% at 11:18. The Shiba Inu community made history after the highly anticipated collectible card game, CCG, Shiba Eternity, ranked first in Apple App Store just hours after the game's download day went live Thursday. The Shiba Eternity download day was initially scheduled for October 1st but was pushed to a later date. Shitoshi Kusama, the pseudonymous lead developer of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, was hoping that the SHIB army could break the internet so the game could be placed at the top spot on Apple App Store and Google Play Store, allowing those not familiar with the game to see it. Interestingly, while the Shiba Eternity download day did not break the app or Play Store, it set another milestone, a tap on the back of the development team. Just a few hours after the game went live, Shiba Eternity outranked popular card games like Uno, Card Tower and Monopoly Solitaire in the Apple App Store when it claimed the top spot and became the #1 card game in many regions across the world. The collectible card game also crossed the 10,000 downloads mark for Android devices and earned over 8,000 reviews. The community was, overall, happy and proud of the game's achievement as seen in their tweets. Shiba Inu development team member who goes by the Twitter handle @CaldHaria also shared a screenshot showing Shiba Eternity as the top 1 card game. "We are #1 in most of country's app and Play Store, and going to put the likes of Marvel card game to shame at Marvel Duel and at Reluno game," the developer's tweet read, seemingly trolling other card games. Confidence building as Shiba Inu whale withdraws 1.72 trillion SHIB from Huobi. SHIB price found its weekly support at 780 after the price dropped by over 70% in the past few months, as the current market has not given SHIB the space to trend. There is no doubt that the price of SHIB continues to show great signs of recovery, with much data indicating the SHIB army not letting go of the price as the belief that the effort to hold this coin, in the long run, would be rewarded with huge price gain and rallies as the bear market has proved tougher and challenging for many SHIB armies. After seeing its price retesting a weekly low of 780, the price of SHIB rallied in recent weeks to a region of 013 but was rejected in an attempt to break higher for the price to trend. The price of SHIB has maintained a range-bound movement for some time now and could be set for a major rally. Weekly resistance for the price of SHIB 013.02. Weekly support for the price of SHIB 780. On the daily timeframe, the price of SHIB continues to look strong as the price aims to rally to a high of 0.2 after a successful breakout from a descending triangle, creating a more bullish scenario for the SHIB army to place more buy orders. The price of SHIB currently trades at 1134, just above the 8 and 20-day exponential moving average, EMA. The price at 011 corresponds to the price at 8 and 20-day EMA for SHIB on the daily timeframe. SHIB price needs to reclaim this region of 013 with good volume for the SHIB army to push the price higher to a region of 02. The current market structure, price actions, and indicators show that SHIB rally to 02 as imminent. SHIB burns plunged to 2 million in past 24 hours. What's happening? The Shibburn tracking platform that keeps an eye on all SHIB burn transactions on Etherscan and then publishes them on its website has announced that in the past 24 hours, the SHIB burn rate has plunged by over 92%. Only 2 million SHIB removed from circulation. Shibburn shared that the amount of meme tokens transferred to unspendable wallets during the last 24 hours this time was a lot smaller than before that, 2 million SHIB versus 26,071,726 Shiba Inu. The burn rate today has dropped by nearly 100%. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.